How hip-hop became popular in India. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the electrifying rise of rap music in India, a genre that has evolved from underground battles to mainstream domination. We'll uncover the key artists who paved the way and the cultural shifts that made it happen. Whether you're a die-hard fan or just curious about this vibrant scene, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the story of Indian rap and its unstoppable impact. Before we start, मैं कुछ चीजें clear करना चाहूँगा. मैं यहाँ technicality पे बात नहीं करूँगा. I will be talking more about the biggest impacts that have shaped this industry. And if I miss some names, I apologize because this is completely my point of view. मैं आपके सामने एक ऐसा perspective रखूँगा, which deep down everyone knows and will surely agree to it. As you all know, 90s के कुछ artists ऐसे आए जिन्होंने hip hop गाने बनाना start किए. For example, Baba Segal. I know a lot of people will say कि he was one of the first to bring Hindi rap. Also, that was not the reason he got popular. अगर आप ध्यान से उनके पुराने वीडियोस देखोगे या उनके गाने सुनोगे, आपको एक चीज पता चलेगी, that he had a great stage presence. He had simple lyrics but a unique and lively way of presenting, which was very unique and caught the attention of the audience. इस चीज को याद रखिएगा. Now let's fast forward to the year 2000 में जब बोहेमिया इस सीन में एंटर हुए. देखिए जो यंग ऑडियंस थी, वो वेस्टर्न कल्चर को बहुत फॉलो करती थी, इवन अभी भी करती है. इसलिए आप YouTube या Instagram पे कोई भी ट्रेंड देखोगे, that is all acquired from whatever is happening in the West. Fashion, movies, music, everything was getting inspired by the West. देखिए उस टाइम ऐसी कोई लैंग्वेज नहीं थी जो इंडिया को जोड़ती थी सिवाय इंग्लिश के. If I talk about only music and fashion, people were crazy for the Western swag and their fashion sense. चाहे गानों के lyrics समझ ना आए, but उस पे vibe जरूर करते थे. In simple words, it was cool अगर कोई सिर्फ English गाने सुनता था. When Bohemia entered the scene, who would have thought that someone will bring the Western swag in our Desi language? He gained a lot of audience in India. And as you guys know, Punjabi music already itna popular tha. So he got an audience, but I would say, wo audience limited the North India talk. Then Imran Khan came into the scene, and he gave some biggest bangers like Bewafa and Amplifier. Agar hum Bewafa gaane ki baat kare, it reached more audience in India because of its relatable and easy to understand lyrics. Then came another legend, Yo-Yo Honey Singh. Dekhiye, I agree. Honey Singh was not rapper, but he was looked as rapper. Honey Singh came in as a rapper, but mostly made pop songs. Every club, every wedding, every club at the time was playing Honey Singh. Logo ke liye, wahi rap tha us time par. I think jo wave Honey Singh ne chale thi us time was of no match. At this point of time, hip-hop Bollywood में काफी popular हो चुका था, therefore it got more and more audience. And at the same time, artists like Raftaar and Badshah came into the scene and gained popularity and gave some amazing songs. देखिए इस time तक लोगों के लिए यही rappers थे. See, in those times, if you would ask a kid that, who is your favorite rapper? तो वो इनका ही नाम लेते. But जो लोग proper rap fans थे, उन्हें पता था that this is not the actual rap they are looking for. Underground hip-hop artists were doing their thing, and they were promoting and producing actual rap like Nazy, Divine, Emmiway, and also many more artists, but had a limited audience. The impact was low. Then came the year 2017, and a track dropped. समझ में आया क्या? समझ में आया क्या? All eyes suddenly came up on Mumbai hip-hop scene. लोगों को ये पता चला beef क्या होती है, diss track क्या होता है, and I am talking about general audience. लोगों को actual rap क्या होता है, वो पता लगा. Underground battles होते हैं, technicalities क्या होती है, वो पता चला. And the timing of the movie Gully Boy was perfect, which in short established the presence and importance of rap in India. And that's how our rappers got their audience today. After that, you guys already know, reality shows, MTV Hustle, YouTube reaction videos, breakdown videos, More artists came and showed their talent and now have made their name in this industry. An ecosystem was created which made the rap scene thriving. एक डायलॉग मैं कोट करना चाहूंगा।
दुनिया के सबसे बेहतरीन और मशहूर कलाकार वो लोग होते हैं जिनकी अपनी एक अदा होती है। वो अदा जो किसी की नकल करने से नहीं आती, वो अदा जो उनके साथ जन्म लेती है।
These technicalities and all ये सब तो चलता रहेगा और लोग इस पे लड़ते रहेंगे। But what stays constant is the aura of the artist. उसने कितना इन्फ्लुएंस किया है अपनी ऑडियंस को। जब वो आपकी स्क्रीन्स पे आए तो आपकी आंखें खुली की खुली रह जाए। That's what makes them different. Thanks for watching this video. Lastly, मैं यही कहना चाहूंगा। This genre has not only transformed music, but also given a voice to countless stories and struggles. As we continue to celebrate this dynamic culture, remember that every beat and lyric has a story to tell. Let me know in the comments what do you guys think, and let me know if you want more on this topic or any particular artist so that I can provide you with more details and facts. Until that, keep listening and supporting your favorite artists.